What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Back with you on another one here. We got a 2016 Porsche Macan S with 69,000 miles, and she is in pretty darn mint condition. This is a pristine example, I would have to say. Panoramic roof. I mean, it smells like brand new. Smells like a new Porsche. Ooh, quality. Ooh, she sounds pretty mean. She does. Sounds pretty mean. This is probably one of the few Porsches I would own, is this Macan. I do like a 911 if you keep it to like a base model. I don't want one that's all GT3 and all that, just kind of a base 5-6 speed, whatever. Or one of these. It's picking up me getting close to that cop car up there. Y'all wait till you see the exterior of this thing. It is so nice. New Porsche trade-in, y'all. I mean, nice. Nice. Media. I just like to always see the map. Navigation not available. Was it not opted with navigation, or did they pull out the disc? You just never know. Way to go, guy. Way to get T-boned, just whooping around like that. I love how that Porsche does these controls down here. Let's get some AC seats. Let's turn my temperature down. Oh man, that feels good in the seat. I mean, this car I don't think's ever had a cup of coffee drank in it. It is just mint. Mint, mint. I'm not very up to date on my engine stats for these. A Macan S. I imagine the S stands for something, probably sport. Okay. Woo. Oh yeah. She's got a little get up and go. Yep, got a little get up and go. Had a little raspy pop with the shift there. That was nice. Little delay getting going though. It kind of hesitated for just a second. Not hesitated, there was just a delay. What a cool rig, man. And this thing is beautiful on the outside, y'all. We're gonna look under the hood of this one. We just got to. Just gotta. If we can. Yeah, they make it easy. Good. Look at the outside of this thing. Ooh, is that not pretty? Man, I love those wheels. Got big, fat Continental tires that are nearly new. Look at those new Porsche brakes. Oh, I mean, this thing is cherry, cherry, cherry. A 3-liter V6. What the hell, man? What is this thing? It's got to have a turbocharger on it somewhere. Y'all tell me. I don't know. Does it? The hell, it may not. It may be naturally aspirated. I just don't know. I don't know enough about these. But I know it runs good and it will skedaddle, baby. Beautiful, beautiful rig. Oh, I would love to have that. Man, got a tow package. Look at them big old pipes. Good grief. This is right here. Golly. Love it, folks. Man, that's pretty cool. Let's do that one more time down through there. That was fun. We have a blustery day today, y'all. Blustery. I think it's turbocharged, guys. I swear I hear a turbocharger, but I just don't know. I don't have a clue. You guys tell me, what the heck, what's in this thing? Handles like a Porsche. Oh man. Oh, I'm in love. One day when I get rich. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate y'all. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.